this video, we are going to talk about one of the display issue with the SSMS or SQL Server Management Studio. So recently I came across this problem, right? And I thought, creating the one video, how to solve this problem will be helpful to others. That's a motive to create this video. So the problem that I'm facing here, you can see here, I just opened the SSMS, right? And where you see the connect dialog box, right? The connect dialog box is very small when I try to click on it, especially when you worked on the second screen, where your second screen is too big and your connect dialog box will be very small, right? So this is the dialog box I'm referring right here. So this dialog box is very small and it's very difficult to work. Not only this dialog box, even if I open any SQL Server job activity monitor window, even that is also loading very small, and it's very difficult to work, right? And that's the reason. That's where I spent some time to fix that issue, and finally, I found the solution how to fix that to fix this kind of dialogues problems. I mean, not only with SSMS, even I seen this problem with Visual Studio SSIS package, where all our dialog box are appearing very small. And finally, we fix the issue. So how I fix the issue? I'm logged into my one of the remote server. So this is our remote server, and then here already connected, right? So what you need to do, so you need to go to control panel. Once you go to the control panel, you will see appearance and personalization tab. Click on it. Under that you will have a display option. Click on that, and under the display option you'll see set a custom scaling level. So this setting is actually help you to solve your problem. So in my scenario, I change this from 100% to 125%, then click OK, and then apply. So to apply your setting changes, you need to sign out and sign in back. Okay, so now I'm not going to sign out because I already fixed that issue and I don't have that problem. But just to show these settings, I open this window, but I don't want to sign out. I'll just click sign out later. Okay, so this is how you can fix this, by applying these settings and sign out and sign in back. So you can fix this small dialogs box window issue. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll catch up with you in the next video. Thank you.